Good afternoon. Welcome to CNFT's trade recap for the T-Note. Every morning we on the air at 6:45 Central Time, making our market calls for the day, so you'll have this information in your hands well before the fact. Today we like the buy side. We were buyers coming in because of the auction, and we thought that the auction would bring in support by the primary dealers, and you can see that the primary dealers supported the market pretty well all day long. Nothing but blue in our pane number 3. So we came in wanting to buy 29s to 01s. The low was 31.5. We came in wanting to sell 7s to 11s. The high was 8. I mean, it's pretty hard to get more accurate than that. So our entry on our first trade over here on the left side of the screen off the day session, you'd have been long at 1 to 1.5, and the market traded up to 4, which would have given you 2 to 2.5 30 seconds if you were perfect. The market set up, it retested this breakup here, so in this case you were long at 2, and the market traded up to 5.5, which gave you a shot at 2 30 seconds, maybe 3. If you'd stuck with the trade and gone all the way to the top, you'd have had a shot at 6 30 seconds. 7 was a sell. You could have been short on a limit sell at 7, but if you'd taken this retest failure trade and you'd gotten short in this area, you were short at 6, and the market did trade down to 1.5. So from 6 to 1.5, if you're perfect on your exit, you got out at 2. That gave you 4 30 seconds. If you had gotten short on a resting limit sell, you got 5. So we caught both edges of the market. It's really difficult to do much better than we did today. We do this often. We know what we are doing. We understand structure. We understand the context that the trading is going to take place in today. The low is 31.5. You could have been long at 1. The high was 8. You could have been short at 7. It's tough to beat that. So on the low side, you'd have picked up 2, another 2 right here, 4. So you'd have had, on the low side today, you could have picked up 8 30 seconds. And if you'd been perfect, you'd have traded 2.5 plus 6 for 8.5 plus 5 for 13.5. So you'd have made $250 to just under $400 you'd traded it well today. And we're pretty consistent on generating these types of returns. Had a good trading day, not a lot of volatility to work with, but sometimes that's all the market gives you, and we were able to exploit it by knowing where the edges were before the fact. If you'd like more information on CN Futures Trading, please visit us at our website, www.cnfuturestrading.com. At this site, you'll get an overview of the software, our educational packages, and our trading methodology. To further entice you to come take a look at us, we offer you a 5-day free trial in our trading rooms where you get to see how we operate live and real time. You may contact us by email at info@cnfuturestrading.com, or you may call us directly, 312-361-3895. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the room for your 5-day free trial offer. In the meantime, until you visit our room, good trading.